How to get voice chat on Roblox. So first, just go to roblox.com right here. Then make sure you are signed into your account. Then go to the gear icon on the top right corner. Then go to settings. Then you just simply need to verify your age right here. So I'll verify mine. Just tap on verify my age. This will pop up and you need your phone to scan the QR app. So I'll just go through these and ready my valid ID so that I can verify my age right here. So you need your valid ID. It could either be a driver's license, passport, ID card, or residence permit. So I'll go back to you guys once I'm done getting this ready. So once you're done with the verification process, this will pop up. So it says Roblox has automatically updated the date of birth on your account to match your ID. So close. And as you can see, my age is verified. And to enable voice chat, just go to privacy right here. And you just need to refresh it for a second. And you need to wait some time before the voice chat will be seen right there. So you could just refresh a couple of times. Once that all refreshed, you just need to go down right here and you will see use microphone to chat with voice. Just simply tap on that. Then tap on enable right here. And now it is automatically set. And you could now use your microphone to game on your Roblox. And that's how you basically enable voice chat on Roblox.